guys! Welcome to my channel. This is our first mini vlog po and we are here in Thailand, Pattaya! Guys, so kaka-ready ko lang and basong-baso talaga yung hair ko.
A few moments later.
Ang daming tao. Tara guys, we're going to have breakfast with the family. Fit check tayo. Outfit check. Okay, tara, let's go! Swimming pool ah. Yay! Pasok tayo. May meatloaf. Di, ano tayo?
Tuyo.
Yay! Eating time!
The next day.
We are going to the beach. Dito na tayo. Grabe, ang init eh. Look at the beach. May boat pa oh. Daming tao nagsiswimming din.
Meanwhile.
Guys, nandito kami sa City. Ang ganda. Really hurts. We're here in it really hurts a little. Did you try it? Madaming mabibili dito, guys. Ang mamahal kasi, grabe. Lambot na. Grabe yung seka, guys. May pang feet massage by fish pa guys oh. Sana all.
Later.